run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me.
Well, hello there. Good morning. It is Wednesday, 6:13 a.m. I'm up. If you guys didn't know, I'm not a morning person, so this is really, really big. But I impulsively signed myself up for a hot yoga class, a 7 a.m. hot yoga class. Let's vlog this baby, at least the best that I can. It's my first time there, so I'm not gonna really like vlog the class. We'll get a little bit of the environment and stuff. Let me go do my hair and speed this up.
Run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still?
I just accomplished a 7 a.m. hot yoga class that I booked on a whim, which if you know me, you know I'm not the type of on a whim person. I need organization. I need planned. I need to plan for the plan. You know what I mean? I'm that type of person. So to do something impulsively, not really my cup of tea. I start overthinking and all types of things. I almost canceled today's class actually because I barely got sleep. I think I slept for like 3 hours because I had cramps listen, I made myself proud today because I fought and I did it. And not only that, but I kind of did really, really good. Like the yoga instructor actually complimented me after class. Couldn't believe it was my first hot yoga class, which it kind of was because I told her I took one like years ago, but like only one hot yoga class. And yeah, so I'm still a beginner. That was intense, but it was so good. And it was so funny. Like before I did the class, I was thinking, I'm like, maybe I could just get a workout in right after too. I'm about to take a head to toe shower and just chill. I don't want to do a thing. I only had like 3 hours of sleep too, so that's part of it. Oh my God. But I did it, you guys. I did it. I'm proud of myself. I made myself proud. This new Kendra, I don't know who she is, but I like her. She's kind of cool. Anywho, I'm gonna go take a head to toe shower. I didn't feel like taking a shower there. I just rather, I'm still in these yucky ass clothes. So I'm gonna go take a shower and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hey YouTube. That was good. Good water. I am getting ready to go to an event. I am gonna do really light makeup. This event is for Huda Beauty, and it is for their Easy Bake ube line. I'm not gonna lie, I was not gonna go. I've just had this thing with events. I just did this whole little, not really a rant, but like I just went on this whole little like introspection with my Snap fam. Just talking about the same thing, but I just feel like I'm kind of growing out of certain things. I think beauty events is slowly becoming one of them. I feel like last year in general, I had so many events that I'm just like, okay, I get it, you know, they're all, and I've been going to events for like years too. So that's the thing. It's like, after some time, it's kind of like, all right, that's not to say that I'm not ever grateful for being invited. I'm still always like, oh my God, I just got invited to this thing. I just got invited to this. I don't know what's happening. I'm just not always motivated to go to events anymore. Getting dressed and like dressing up to go to events is like my favorite thing to do, but I've been like that like forever. This is why I turned this into a career. I've like, since I was younger, I like trying a whole new look out and just seeing what works for me, and yeah, just making myself look different, but also trying different styles and seeing like, oh, I like this, oh, I like that. I'm very adventurous when it comes to those kinds of things. So I've dyed my hair like every color in the book. I've tried a bunch of different styles. With my makeup, I play around a lot. Sometimes I do super harsh contour just to see what it could do, just to play around, because that's the point. It's not like I'm wearing makeup because I always say I don't wear makeup because I feel like I need it. I wear makeup because it's fun. And when it comes to events, same thing, except for events, like you kind of feel like you have to put makeup on when it comes to that, just because it's like, they're going to take pictures and you want to represent yourself. You want the brand to kind of notice your makeup, especially if it's a beauty event. So yeah, I'm kind of just going on like tangents now. But it's always like my favorite thing to do, to like dress up. However, today it is freaking nasty outside. New York City has been having some terrible weather. It like snowed, it hailed, it's like misty now. Like in the weather app it says haze. It's foggy as heck. Like it's crazy. outside. That's like playing into me not wanting to really do anything today. But we have a day today. Today is a day. I'm gonna go to this event, and this event is only about 3 hours. However, I'm not gonna be there for the 3 hours. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna stay for about a half hour to an hour or so. I'm gonna feel it out. It always depends on what the event is about, because it could be that you just go around, take your pictures and go, you know? Or it could be, oh, there's a little bit more mingling going on, or activations and stuff. So it's always about what kind of event it is. I'm not even sure what kind of event this is. I'm not gonna go for long because I do have to come back home and then get ready for my second hot yoga class. Yesterday went so well that I'm like, I'm going again today. Felt so good to challenge myself, and not only that, to do something outside of my normal routine. I do yoga every day. I do it at home in the comfort of my home, like, you know, so I wanted to challenge myself and actually like go outside and do it. I did have a mean headache yesterday. I'm rambling on. I'll be right back. I'm overwhelmed, guys, because I was gonna wear this purple outfit. I've worn it before for like an event, but never really got a picture in it, except for like my own little selfies. But it just doesn't suit the actual color of the event. I'm like trying to figure something out right now. I don't have to wear the color of the event, obviously, but I'd like to put something together that actually like could look good with the color of the event. I don't know what to wear. I'm feeling like I just want to do black, white, and have this pop, but that's very basic. But like I don't have time to not be basic right now because it is already like about to be 12:30. This event started at 12. Let me try to put something together. All right, y'all, this is what I came up with. My godmom just helped me on FaceTime because everything was failing. So when all else fails, you go all black, because you can't fail wearing an all black outfit. That's what I did. And then obviously the purple pops because of it. And I'm gonna wear this leather jacket. This when it says your payment was successful and it's like all right, oopsies. This black jacket, move this mess out the way, and then this Huda Beauty bag. So, you know, it's like that pop of lilac. I have to go put on my booties, and I'm gonna pack up the camera because I'm gonna vlog for you guys, show you guys the scene. I'm late. It's 1 o'clock now, so I'll get there around 1 something. I'm gonna probably be there for about maybe an hour or so. Then I gotta come back, and we're going to hot yoga. I'm gonna go put on my booties, call my cab. I'll see y'all there. I'm here. Let's see what they're talking about.
So now I have my little space for it, and I'm just gonna dump all of the buttercream directly into here. Get it as close to the bottom as you can so none of it spills out of the top. So that'll be our first step.
Stop.
So I'm just putting it in the bag, and then I like to just squeeze on the spatula to release it.
Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, yeah. Only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing.
Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me.
around for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love. I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Papa, yo, come on the way, and mine the way. I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Show you that I'm on the way, I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. For my money, there is nobody, ain't nobody around. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love me.
I'm back home. Okay, so I have about like maybe 40 minutes or so to really hydrate and take off my makeup and change to go to hot yoga. This all black really gives though. The event was really cute. I really enjoyed decorating the cake. I do wish I would have gotten there on time, but I feel like this agency in particular does have to get a little bit better at like letting you know what the event is actually about. Like every other invitation that I get for events would be like, get ready for light bites and drinks and photo ops, a bunch of photo ops, get ready to mingle, or this is a master class, so make sure, like last time they did say don't wear any makeup because it's a master class, but still like some people got confused and still wore makeup, or I think it didn't say don't wear no makeup. I don't know. So it's just like little things like that. For me, like if you tell me an event is from this time to this time, I'm thinking like sometimes it's like, oh yeah, it's a photo op event, like there's gonna be photo ops of course, but like not that we're doing something. That was very conflicting. Like if they would have said we're gonna do some cake decorating and we're gonna like there are photo ops on top of the cake decorating, then I would have been like, oh, so I do have to probably be there on time so that I'm not late for the cake decorating, and then the photo ops is whatever. Because usually they try to get whatever done and then just kind of leave you to it, but I didn't get any of that. So I just feel like if I get off camera, I'm gonna move a lot faster, so I'm gonna go do that.
Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today.